Uh, your first memory of dance?
First memory. I don't have a certain memory. I think I remember myself as dancing from a very early age, just dancing. I have a memory of first class. When I was very little. I was 6-year-old and was in the United States, in Athens, Georgia, and staying with my family there. And my friend from school, Stephanie, said, "Let's go and dance. Come and dance with me." And I just went with her to the class, and I enjoyed it very much. That's what I remember, maybe for the first time of going to a class. Yeah.
Who would you like to dance with right now?
With my child, Nuli. It's very fun to dance with him. He's really wild.
Your ideal soundtrack?
If I would dance with Nuli, it would be things he likes. But my ideal soundtrack, I have a lot of sounds I like. I like something that can be abstract, but with still with some emotion outputs there. This past year I hear about the knife, but it's not abstract at all. But it gives me a lot of nice inspiration.
Total physical response. What's dance to you in 3 movements or steps or gestures?
I can't do it physically because it's so many things. I can cry and I can laugh, and I can all between laughing and crying.
Thank you.